Ang ganda, di ba?
Ibabalik natin ang Halina soap.
But we already launched that.
Alam ko pong nirelease niyo na po ang formulang yun sa ibang pangalan. Okay lang po. Tinuloy ko na rin naman ang Halina na brand. But this time, para sa ikakapanalo nyo, willing po akong ibigay sa inyo ang pangalan na yun.
Nice tagline, Miss V. Pero parang hindi sincere. Kasi for me, to age beautifully, you gotta be honest and truthful. Siguro ang dapat na pangalan ng product mo ay Gaslighting Beauty Soap. Or Love Bombing by Velma. Because it's your branding, right? And it's your line of expertise.
Well, Shari, I think you're in the wrong industry. Dapat sa'yo naging basurera. Dahil ang hilig mong mangalkal na mga kinalimutan at napaglipasan na.
Well, then you don't have to worry, Miss V. Sana yung product mo, besides sa wrinkles and dark spots, kaya niyang i-cover din ng dark pasts mo.
Of course, Shari. Pwedeng-pwede nga to sa gaspang na ugali mo. Kapal na mukha mo at itim ng kaluluwa mo.
Are you referring to yourself, Miss V? Kasi, you used to love bomb me. Pero ngayon kinukompetensya mo ko. Are you threatened?
Ang kapal din naman ang mukha mo. After everything that you've done?
After na naman ginawa ko?
Please. Alam ko na ikaw si Marie Armani.
Who the hell is Marie Armani?
Marie Armani? What did you say?
Ann? What are you doing?
See? See? Isn't she weird?
Wait. Siya ba yung pangalan na paulit-ulit mo sinasabi nung nababaliw ka?
Alam mo, Shari, I made you the woman that you are today. And this is how you repay me? By hurting me and destroying my marriage?
Oh my God, Miss V! Napaka-out of this world naman yung imagination mo. I am sorry, pero baseless yung accusation mo.
Really? Na-trace ang files ni Marie Armani sa computer mo sa office. You ungrateful brat! You snake! Bagay nga sa yung suot mo. Isa kang ahas! These are my Mikimoto pearls!
Miss Velma, hindi nga ako si Marie Armani! And how dare you accuse me of destroying you? Hindi ko na kayo inspirasyon, Miss V. You were my constant, my guardian, my mother. Tapos ako pa yung pinag-iisipan niyo ng masama?
The evidence speaks for itself. Isa kang traidor.
Ako pa ngayon yung traidor? Miss Velma? After mo akong baliktarin at kalabanin, ako pa talaga ang traidor? nangyari dun sa speech mo na two queens sharing a crown?
Is it true that you two queens are feuding?
Oh, don't be ridiculous. Queens don't fight. They share the crown with other queens.
Hindi mo na panindigan, di ba? Because alam mo, deep inside you, Miss Velma, na isa kang inggiterang malapit ng malaos at ayaw malamangan. Hashtag, insecure ang old frack.
Dahil sa campaign ko, kaya tumaas yung sales ng Velma Beauty, remember?
Hindi mo makita ang reality na ako pa rin ang mukha at boses ng Velma Beauty. Shari, yes, I'm older. But look at me. I'm aging beautifully. And that's okay. Because not everyone gets to age. Ang mahirap, yung maliit na utak. And you know perfectly well what I'm talking about. Because Shari, I trusted you. I protected you and I built you up. And you were the person that hurt me the most. That's why you will pay.
Kung pagbabayad lang naman ang pag-uusapan natin, Miss Velma. Hindi ba't kayong dalawa ng asawa mo may utang? Kay Helena Alfonso.
Don't even go there.
Nakalimutan mo na ba yan, Miss V? Nakalimutan niyo na ba yung kahayupan na ginawa niyo kay Helena?
May ginawa kami, pero huwag ka magmalinis. Dahil mas masahol ka pa sa amin. Don't you remember? Na wala kang ginawa? Your silence killed Helena. Why? Gusto mo siyang mamatay so that you can get ahead.
Sasabihin ko kay Nurit at sa buong mundo ang ginawa mo kay Helena. I'm Shari De Jesus, Velma Imperial's #1 public enemy.
She has declared war against me. Pero akala niya ata mauubusan ako ng ammunition just because she's more powerful than me.
I have a nuclear bomb.
What the hell is that?
Itong ingratang babaeng to, gustong ilabas tong video na to.
Idemanda natin.
Was there ever a time totoo yung mga sinabi mo sa akin? At totoo ba na tinuring mo ko na parang anak niyo?
Sorry?
Alex, you came. I let Velma kill Noreen's sister.
Mahal kita. Period.
Hindi ko alam kung kaya kong suklian yung nararamdaman mo sa akin ngayon.
Nagtapat ka na after 10,000 years?